Oh yeah, and as promised, here's the ravioli cutter. Is that upside down or right side up? Yeah, it's right side up. It says crimp cut or something like that on it. Get an angle on the light. But it's got two separate wheelies on the sides and almost like a pizza cutter blade in the middle. But these do roll independently. So when you have your ravioli set up to do, you just roll across where you want seams and just crimps it and cuts it all in one shot. Lovely little toy. Cost me over $1. Wow. Oh, okay. Alright, couple of things that I found this week. Handy dandy stuff. And I'll zoom in on these one at a time. This little creature here is a ravioli crimper. Cost me all of $1. Whoopee! Well made, wooden handled. We get the toaster tongs for 50 cents. Lovely buy. And then we found these three interesting puppies. Little tapered tubes. Bring you over here and show you what they all do. Let me get in, zoom a little closer. Zoom a little closer. Alright. Now we got these wonderful little tubes. And then we take this here big tube. Yes, and that is a aluminum vent pipe. About 5-inch diameter. And we're going to, for purposes of example here, we're going to cut out a circle out of this cookie. So we're basically when this all happens here, and you're still wondering what the hell is going to happen because you don't know what those metal tubes are for. Nope. And it might require some of this stuff too. You never know. Yep. Never know. Metal tubes for cottage cheese. 5-inch circles. Yeah. Anyway, imagine this was rolled out pastry dough, and you come over here with Mr. Tube, and you just go chomp, chomp, chomp out his little circles out of the thing, peel up the middles, and then you take this puppy and roll it on the tube like that. And that's your pastry dough all rolled up on the tube, and it actually comes around, hard to tell, but it's actually well overlapped. Almost going all the way around this sucker. Well, eventually you end up with that. I've taped this one just to keep it in place. And you toss it in a pan of boiling oil for a few minutes and toast it. And when it's all cooled, you just remove the shaping tube from it, and you have a toasted, deep fried sugar cookie batter thingy, which then you will take and fill with a pastry nozzle with ricotta cheese, lots of confectionery sugar, some grated chocolate perhaps, and you got cannoli! Anyway, this is also a new addition here. I had to order these from Wilton. Let's see. Don't know a little focus on that. That's a 1A tip. And that is one honking honking tip. Where's the old one at? This one here, used the last time. Yeah, that's the 1A, and that's the 2A. I don't know if we ever get an angle on here to see them. Got some more light here, maybe. But oh, yeah, see through those things. Ah, where the heck are they at? Yeah, that one's huge. And that one's like a lot less huge. Probably about twice the size. These things are going to be killer when it comes to making the next eclairs. Eclairs. And this is a 230, number 230 filler tip. And it's kind of long. Let's see if you can see it. Almost as long as my index finger. So that should get right inside these things, and also right in there for filling the cannolis all the way to the center and backing out, and that side and backing out. Beauty, huh? Next up, we'll actually make freaking cannolis. Maybe in a day or so, folks. You never know.